Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a really quick WIP&Chat with this cute little Amazon painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this is going to be my first 10-minute WIP&Chat. I'm hoping it's 10 minutes. I had said it before in one of my, I believe in my last larger WIP&Chat I usually do on Saturdays. This is the first, I had said I wanted to try a 10-minute one just to put out, you know, a quick little WIP&Chat in case y'all just want to see just a quick little video. The painting I chose is that lovely 30 by 60 or 70. I forgot the number. Painting that I had unboxed recently. Oh, it's a TEMU one. Apologies. A TEMU painting. I don't know why I thought. Oh, because I got an Amazon package today. That's why I got confused by the painting. So, I decided to start with this one. But I think I might change. For today was my... And I'm going to start painting. Apologies. I should have stated that. Today was my first day at work. Woo! I really do like it. It's fun, and to me I found it fun, and people I've met that I will work with, sorry I forgot I have plastic on this side, they're so kind, and it's just, my first day was just real quick. My orientation was real quick, got everything done that had to be done, and I'm getting a new work ID tomorrow, which is funny because I originally had my previous one. I want to see how different I look in the pictures. Well, in this ID, I had to actually take off my glasses. I wear glasses, by the way. I think I might have said it in a video before. I've never had to do that for my employee ID, so I found that interesting. I was like, okay. And so I took them off, and they did show me the picture after. I myself, I think I look odd without glasses because I always wear them. I need to. I can't see at all pretty much if I don't have my glasses. I thought that was just odd. It was interesting to me. But yeah, I did that and then finished everything else and then reported to the office. And yeah, the rest of the day was just setting everything up. And I really like it. I got told what projects will be, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, it was a really good first day. I didn't have any issues or anything. I was just not a little surprised. I just really like where my little kind of desk is going to be. I'm a big fan of that. There's a window, which I don't think I've ever had. No, I think I've had one previous job that I actually had a window. All excited just for a window. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, I just really think it has a nice little counter on it. So I think I'm going to take some plants. I have a couple ivies at home, just regular little ivies that you can grow. They don't really need sun. They can just be in the home. Kind of want them just to kind of decorate my little area and just to have a little lovely little plant that I can worry and not worry that since it's not getting sun it might die on me. So I'm real excited about that, and I cannot wait to decorate the little spot to fit me because it's gonna be in my work area. And yeah, that's all I pretty much have for what pretty much happened to me today. Oh, the other thing was what I was about to say. I'm going to take a different painting. Originally, I actually took this painting to work because since it's kind of small, I can roll it up and it fits in my bag. But I'm actually going to take a backpack, so it'll be a little bit bigger. And because of that, I was actually describing on how all of diamond painting and how diamond painting works to my new supervisor, and she was so interested in it, and she found it fascinating when I started explaining to her how diamond painting works and everything. And I told her about that this is a TEMU painting, which she's familiar with TEMU, and I told her no, there's actually premium paintings that they're a little different. Some of the materials are different, or the paintings are, and I told her they're just different styles. And so I told her I was going to bring a diamond dots painting because I told her if you're interested in, she's curious about the craft and she doesn't want to, order from TEMU or anything. I told her instructed her that a good brand to start with is diamond dots. The paintings are too big and they're really affordable. And I told her, and you can purchase them at Walmart. She thought that was interesting, so I told her, excuse me, I told her I'm going to take a diamond dots painting to work tomorrow just so you can see it and you can kind of see the difference. Because I did fully explain about, budget-friendly painting, that, the difference of material. So tomorrow I'm going to take a diamond dots. And that painting, I'm actually going to work on that one at work because it's the diamond dots painting I've been wanting to complete forever. I believe I did an unboxing. I think I did. But I didn't move forward on because I was planning on working on it, at another time. It's the home one. Oh, goodness, I already forgot the name. I had the painting next to me. It's the wonderful little home with the red door in the front. And I've been wanting to do that one because I kind of wanted it in my living room. But I've held on it because, as you all know, I have so many other paintings I want to finish. So I'm just changing color real quick, which is number 27. I'm going to try. There's a lot of color blocking in this part, so I want to see if I can finish a good chunk. And yeah, so I'm really excited to show her that painting because it's so pretty and it's so simple. It's just, I don't know, I just really, really love that painting. So, which you'll probably see, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll put it tomorrow. I'm going to do a kit up video real quick for that painting. It doesn't have that many colors. I forgot the number of them. I should have kept the painting near me. And yeah, I believe it's 20 something, I think. Usually the diamond dots are around that. Or 30. Oh, goodness, I already forgot. And I put it together because I found the box. And I thought, oh, you know what? Let me go show her this painting. I don't know where I put the box. And of course, I would be, missing on the item I want to talk about. Forgot to put it close to me. Let me see if I can find, because I don't want to waste time trying to locate the box. It's right here. The name of it, real quick, is called Farm Cottage. And I'll just show it real quick. It's this wonderful little painting of a house with a red door. I'm going to take this painting to work tomorrow. And since I'll have, actually, this actually explains what Apologies painting has. I don't know if you can see it real quick. This painting actually has, oh goodness, I knew I wasn't going to remember what side has that. Oh, it has 36 colors. Oh, I was right. It was a 31. So I'll be able to kit it up real quick, and I'll put that video tomorrow just in case you're curious of, how all of the diamonds are going to look. So I'm going to take it to work tomorrow, even though I'm going to I'll still put the video up or the kit up tomorrow. And I'll report back with my next WIP&Chat. I'll probably work on that painting for my WIP&Chat. Or maybe I should just leave it for the office. I'm not too sure. And I saw someone left a lovely comment in one of my previous videos that I should leave a diamond painting at work, and that will be my work diamond painting. Kind of like that idea, because I wouldn't have to be moving it around, carrying it around, but I'm not sure if I can. I don't believe my desk has a lock. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Oops, sorry. But, I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not that I don't trust anyone in the office. It's just safe than sorry, but I'll figure something out. But I can leave it at the office. It'll be so much easier than, as I said, moving it around everywhere. I kind of like how this blue contrasts with each other. Oh, even though I'm going to be working on that painting, I think this painting I'll continue for my 10-minute WIP&Chat because I'm curious how it's going to come out. And I know some of y'all really like this painting, so we can all see what's going on. How it's going to come together. And it's such a large painting. It's funny I picked this one for a 10-minute WIP&Chat. Now that's interesting. But yeah, I just pretty much wanted to update on that. And a little bit of diamond painting on the side. Mostly because I was just... And honestly, I do want to see if my supervisor will get really interested in the craft. So I can have a diamond painting buddy, because I don't have one. And after work we could paint together and just enjoy the craft and have fun of making all of this together. I hope so. And as I said, the house image is so cute, so I really hope she likes it. And I love diamond dots. I really love their diamonds and all that, so that's why that was a brand that I suggested it to her, and it's easy to find it because it's at Walmart. And there you go. And yeah, I think she'll like it. She likes the images like that. And I believe there's a Diamond Dots one with cats. So I'll see if I can find that one. And I'll show it to her because she as well she's kind of like, she's like me as well. She really likes cats and dogs and all that. She has pets as well, so I think she'll like it. I'll find it and see if one of my local Walmarts has it, because I know not all Walmarts have all the same paintings. So if not, I'll try to see if I can purchase it so they can deliver. I wouldn't mind showing her that painting. Ooh, that looks really nice. It's supposed to be the water at the bottom. And we hit the 10 minutes. Wow. That felt real fast. So as I said, I wanted it to be 10 minutes. I have a timer, so that's what I wanted to make sure. And I did not want to go over, because I said I wanted this to be a quick video, and you can all check it out. Wow, I kind of like this. Next time, I'll give you an update to see what happens with that painting. And if I'll continue this painting, and I'll try to give you an update on the community tab, specifically this section, so you can, stay in the loop and you can keep seeing how this painting is coming together. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful paintings we love to do, even with 10-minute chats. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.